I'm so excited to be here today because I'm showing y'all again the stencils from Totally Dazzled. I'm super excited to do this today. I have yet to use one of these. I saw these at the retreat. The Sparkle Retreat was the first people to ever see these. I'm super pumped to do this today. And at the retreat, this was Natalie's craft kit. And today I'm going to do one of the cards for kids, and we're going to make it look all pretty. And then I'm going to send this out to one of the kids that is in this organization, Cards for Kids. Super excited. What color do we want to use? I want to go grab some decoupage paper to see what would look good. Here's a pretty one. I'm just going to use this. I think this was Reba Rose. So look at all the cute things you can do. You can put them on a jean jacket pocket. You can put them on a bag. All kinds of stuff. All right, let's just decoupage this right on here. I've got my iron. I can plug that in. All right, so I'm just going to decoupage this on this paper on here. I think it'll be pretty. A little bit of decoupage medium. And I'm just going to cover that down. I'm just gonna do my best here, y'all, to make it straight. Okay. And then we're gonna iron it. All right, so I got that on there. And then I'm just gonna cut around it with my scissors. So then we're going to refold it. So there's the back. I'm gonna write a nice little handwritten message on the inside here. All right guys, so now what we're gonna do on this card, we have to pick. I'm so excited to use these. I'm so excited. I love a brand new pen, and it comes with, you get two. She gave everybody a whole little rhinestone picker pen. Love that. And a tray and some glue. And let's see, so our card is here. I want to pick out a Fleur De Lis to put on the top. One that's gonna fit. I kind of like that one. And these are like, what do you call it? So you can, almost like they're kind of got the, what do you call it? Perforated. So now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this, I'm just gonna eyeball it. And then what you do is you want to get a pen or a marker. I'm just going to use a pen, okay? And all you're doing is kind of dotting where you want your stencil, where you want your rhinestones. Now hopefully this won't peel off my paper. Guys, say a prayer. Yeah, it did a little bit, but we're gonna seal this. Maybe I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over it. So don't be like Kathy, but that's okay. It kind of gives it a rustic look. All right, so I got my glue, I got my little stencil, and see, that's what it looks like when you get it all dotted out. I am going to, let's see, these are the Totally Dazzled clear crystals, and I don't know what size to use. Let's see. Trying to figure out what size I want to use. I think I'm gonna go with those. Can you believe I'm actually gonna go with the smaller ones? Did I just say that out loud? And all I'm gonna do is start dotting. I might have to put my glasses on, y'all. This is kind of hard for me to see. Okay. And then you just take your rhinestone. Just giving these a little bit of heat. Fold up our card. But look at how pretty that is. I know the light doesn't do it any kind of justice, but all right, so I'm gonna grab a piece of Totally Dazzled bling. So I'm gonna put this on right here. I like it, so I'm gonna do it. All right, so I'm just gonna take some hot glue, stick it on there. We did a fleur on a fleur. Look at how pretty. So see, you can zhuzh it up. There's so much you can do. Look, we just made a beautiful card for Cards for Kids. And then there's the back. You can add some rhinestones to there if you want. Thank you, Totally Dazzled and Natalie. And go make a card for a kid. See you guys later. Sparkle on, my friends. Bye.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.